What is up, you guys? So just got done cleaning my fridge here. It's really like smelling really clean right now, but anyway, sorry for the weird angle. It's because lately what's trending is this coffee. What's it called? Whipped coffee. Yes, it's called whipped coffee. During this coronavirus, a lot of people are doing this whipped coffee deal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and attempt this coffee thing for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I also have a surprise. I'm not just gonna do a coffee one, but I'm also gonna do a matcha one. So anyway, it's always important to wash your hands. Again, I just washed my hands because I just got finished cleaning the fridge with bleach and what have you. So anyway, what you're gonna need is a bowl, you know, to do the whipped coffee in. You're gonna need, well, you don't have to. You could do technically a, what's it called, a mug, but I'm gonna do it in a glass jar so y'all can see the milk and what have you. So cup to put the ingredients in. You're gonna need some instant coffee, which I have here. This is just a classic dark roast coffee, instant coffee, and then sugar. So this is the one we just bought at what you call that, Walmart, and so I just put it in this thing for you guys. And then for the matcha one, I just got this stuff. It's from HEB. It's a matcha chai latte kind of ordeal. So I'm not gonna add sugar to this one. So let's just see how this turns out. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and you're also gonna need milk. So let me get my milk out. So this is the milk. Unfortunately, our Sprouts is closed, so we got this one. Usually we drink oat milk, but because Arthur really doesn't like almond milk, but I'll drink almond milk. I'll drink almond, soy, and all that stuff. But we found out recently that we are allergic to dairy because we'll have really bad stomach ache and what have you. So we got this lactose milk, and it is the Walmart brand, even though I really don't like Walmart. But let's go ahead and get started. Well, I'm gonna keep this in the fridge to keep it nice and cold. Okay. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. I am gonna start with the coffee. Let me go ahead and open this up too. This is the sugar again, so I'm just gonna take one scoop, like pretty much like that. Just pour it in there. And I'm gonna use the same, it's just a small itty bitty teaspoon that I use for my instant coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 of these sugars. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stir this. Oh, you do need water. Let me go ahead and get this water here. Oh, here, let me get this. Let me just do this. So you just get a shot glass full of water. Just pour it in there. Okay, and it's already starting to look good. I forgot to get the, and then you just get a fork and you just start whipping it until the coffee gets really thick. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video right here because I know this is gonna take a minute. So let me get you guys, let me go ahead and whisk this up, and then I'll go ahead and show you kind of what it looks like when it's all whisked up. Okay, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I'm pretty much getting to the finished product. that's my whipped coffee. It smells delicious, but my god, I don't know when to stop. I don't know if it should be all the way fluffy or if it just should be like moderately fluffy. That way, you know, it doesn't like it's not so foamy, like, you know, like you're just sipping foam. Because I don't like whipped cream, so I'm thinking, oh, I don't want it to be too foamy or whatever. But yeah, it is definitely, you have to have a lot of wrist strength to do this. I mean, not to be have my head in the gutter, but you know what I'm saying. Like, I think this is a man's thing, you know what I'm saying. No. But anyway, okay, so there, it looks pretty whipped. Yeah, see, it's pretty whipped. Pretty whipped. Anyway, let's go ahead and put the ice. So now let's go ahead and grab our cup, put some ice in there. Grab the ice and pour the milk. Oh, well, hold on, let me go get my phone so I can show my peeps on Instagram. Yeah. Oh shoot, yeah, I'm gonna take that one out because I don't want. I'm gonna put trying the new that whipped coffee thing. Okay, let me go ahead and show you guys. If y'all haven't already followed me on my Instagram, definitely go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I already will link the information down below, but anyway, so oh, I want to get a boomerang of me pouring the milk. Oh, how do I flip this? There you go. Okay, so oh, I don't know if I can. It's nice and fluffy. It's not that bad. Pour the milk in there, as y'all can see, pour the milk in there, and then get the whipped coffee. Oh shoot. And then pour that. Whipped coffee on there. And there you have it. And let me show you guys the finished product. Whipped coffee. Ooh, it looks so good. Let me show you. Let me bring you guys down to eye level. Hold it. Oops. Whipped coffee. Oops. Whipped coffee. Yum. Oh, look at that. Just pour into the thing like that. Ooh, looks so delicious. Ooh, look at that. Whipped coffee. Yum. Yum. Alrighty guys, so now I am going to attempt, excuse me, the whipped matcha one. I'm super excited. Can't wait to do this one. So I'm not gonna add sugar here. I'm gonna roast my sugar to show you guys. I'm not gonna add any sugar because it already has sugar, like it's already sweet to me. So I'm just gonna do the matcha, just the matcha. So again, I grabbed that little teaspoon, and instead of one, I'm gonna put two, just because, you know, I'm gonna put the matcha in there. Okay, and then let me go ahead and get my little flask and just pour again that water and stir. Now I'll bring you guys back, but let me go ahead and stir this up and get it nice and whipped, and I'm going to show you my finished product of my matcha one. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so update on the matcha one. It is not going as planned. I think it's because I don't have a mixer, so it's very like it's not like thick. Like, okay, I mean it's really thick, right? But it's not fluffing up, and I think it's because I don't have a mixer. But I'm gonna go ahead and pour it over milk because I've been stirring it for quite some time, and it's not getting to the density that I want it to be. Like, as y'all can see, like it's just really thick, like it just, I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and just pour this over some milk. The trick is, I found out the trick is just to pour it very slowly on the milk. Yeah, the trick is to just pour it really slowly on the milk, so that way you can, oh, there it is. That way you can go ahead and keep that where it separates, I guess you can say. But yeah, so let me go ahead and pour this over the milk. Oh my god, and a fail. Very, very big fail. It's not as pretty as the coffee one. It just kind of looks like a bundle of mess, but I don't care. Oh, whatever. At least you guys know I'm not making it up. But yeah, so that was my attempt at making matcha, whipped matcha, whipped matcha one. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Just stay tuned. We were gonna have Dirty Juicy Burgers, but unfortunately we found out that Dirty Juicy Burgers is closed. Sad face, but it's okay. We're just gonna go ahead and get menudo and pozole at our favorite Mexican restaurant down the street. So I guess I'm gonna leave this here, and y'all can go ahead and comment down below what y'all think about this video. It definitely, if you've tried the matcha one and have some tips you would like to share with me, I would really appreciate it if you could share that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.